So today, as we talk about addition, we're going to make sure we cover all the ground rules, all the basics of it to make sure that we're able to add. Let's first start off with the definition. What does it mean when we're talking about addition? What is it? Addition is combining things. It's putting things together. When we add, our end result is called a sum. And when we also add, we're talking about using this plus sign. So we use the plus sign to get a sum. Quick example. Let's say that you have $4. Let's say a friend of yours has $3. Trying to put some money together to go to the store to get something. All around together, you guys will have $7. We added. Our sum in this case was 7. But before we take a look at more examples, let's think about how we write a problem. As you're gonna see, it does not matter if your example or an addition problem is horizontal or vertical. What also doesn't matter is which number comes first. As you see here, I can write 3 plus 7 in either way, or I can write 7 plus 3. Regardless, you're gonna get the same answer each time. Let's take a look at an example to help us imagine a good example of addition. So let's imagine for a second that it's our birthday. We got presents, balloons, of course a birthday cake, and perhaps what we all might have looked forward to the most, getting some birthday money. So for our first example, let's say we got $25 and we wanted to add it to the $17 we already had in our piggy bank. We'll start this problem out by adding the numbers in our ones place. That means we're going to take 5, add 7, and that'll give us 12. Since I can't put 12 completely down there, I'll put the 2 from the 12 in the ones place. And I'll put the 1 from the 12 over in the tens place. And then I can combine that 1 with the other 2 and the other 1, which are also in the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, and that 4 goes in the tens place, giving me a sum and result of 42. Let's take a look at another example with perhaps some bigger numbers to see what we can do. Imagine that there's a concert that we're going to, and the concert promoter wants to figure out how many total people went to his concert between the morning show and the afternoon show. So as we start to illustrate example 2, we want to think about 238 people at the morning show with 186 at the evening show. We'll start this problem using the exact same procedure that we did before. So we'll take the 8 and 6 from the ones place and we'll add them together, and that'll give us 14. And I'll take that 4 and drop it down in the ones place. The 1 from the 14 will go into the tens place where I can add 1, 3, and 8 to get a 12. Now the 2 from this 12 will go into the tens place. With the 1, as we're going to write in a second, goes here in the hundreds place. And when 1 plus 2 plus 1, like we did before, is 4. And that 4 then goes into the hundreds place, giving us a grand total of 424 people at the concert's total. So we think about addition, we see the little examples we have, but we imagine, what is the connection? Ultimately, where does addition fit in? It's very useful for us to think about addition helping us when we're trying to combine, well, money, right? Do we have enough money to get something? Are there enough people here? How many people are in this class? How many people are on the team? But really, you can use addition for virtually anything. Combining things, putting things together. All in all, addition really ends up being one of the cornerstones of mathematics as a whole.